Hello guys, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. I'm also fine. Now I am going to share with you about virtual data room for startup fundraising and M&A. A virtual data room is an online repositories of document and data, allowing companies to securely store and share documents with other companies or individuals. Usually, digital data rooms are used to streamlining the due diligence process during fundraising, M&A, private equity, or venture capital. Document management, uploading, organizing, and share document presentation, dataset, videos, and any other filter types. Structure the files in folder to facilitate navigation. General users permission. A robust user permission system is key for any data room, allowing to set different view, edit, downloading permission by users and groups, frames, as well as by document or folder. Document and folders can have an extra layer of security by requiring stockholder to provide a password that have been previously shared with them through a different channel. Document can have a unique watermark added to stop screenshot being taken. Integrate redaction erases sensitive data from document. It can be a manual feature where an employee to do it page by page or automated with AI. With the data room, companies can restrict users to download or print certain private documents. Tracks which a stakeholder or firms has seen what documents when was the last time they reviewed a document with automated notification, document expiry and self-destruct. It is possible to set expiration and destruction date for accesses and documents, which avoid having united practice to keep having access to a data room. Branded data room. Some enterprises deal require the documents and the platform to follow company brand guideline. A virtual data room is useful for those companies that want to control the first stage of a deal by uploading the deck and giving access or sharing a link with other stakeholders. So guys, I hope you will learn so many things from this topic. No more today. Take care about yourself. Until that, bye bye and tata.